She was either in my.
All right, Jen. Food items. Let's try this one.
How old are you?
Brood.
Brood.
Brood. I can spell it for you. B-R-O-O-D.
Food.
Brood.
Bread.
Bread. Yes, you got
That's what I
it.
meant to say. I meant to say bread, but I said
All right.
food.
Now, let's try another one. Vlees. Remember, these are very basic bread items. I mean,
They're
food
all-
items.
Oh,
Chicken.
what's
Vlees. Chicken is a type of vlees. Goose is a type of vlees.
meat?
Meat, yes, vlees. Meat.
Food item.
Your brother's having a medical emergency.
What is that?
All right.
I know what it is.
Milk. Do y'all know what milk is?
Milk.
Yep, milk. Good job.
Off the table.
Do the other one. Also won't know this.
Butter. Milk and butter. Butter comes from milk. Butter.
Yes,
Yep.
It was so confusing. I'm like, how is this
All right.
so confusing?
Now try.
I thought it was bread.
Now try this one. Water.
Water.
Yep,
Vodka.
water.
I thought it
Spelled
was
the same
vodka.
too.
Vodka.
And how about this
That's what I
one?
said.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, how about this one? Cook.
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 Coke.
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 It's something that you do cook, but it's something that you cook.
Corn.
Yes.
Cook.
Starts with a C, right?
Yeah, it starts with a. Well, in English it starts with a C. And
Chicken.
no, you make it for a special occasion,
Turkey.
like a birthday.
Cake.
Cake, yes. Yeah.
People said birthday, I go cake.
All right.